Ended up with a video that is too dark and now you can hardly see anything in the footage? Luckily, you can fix the problem and save the clip you consider unworthy of sharing. In this video, we'll show you how to lighten a video in 3 ways using Clipify, an automatic video editor. Let's see how to do it. Once you've run the software, click New Project and then Blank Project. Upload your clip by clicking the Add Videos and Photos button. We're going to start with a simple way that allows you to adjust the brightness of the video in a few seconds. Click Edit on the toolbar and switch to the Image tab. Drag the brightness slider to the right to make your video lighter. You can also move the contrast and saturation sliders to make your video look better. Then apply the changes and play the video to see the result. Another way to lighten up videos is to apply various effects. Pick a clip you want to improve and go to the Effects tab to open a built-in collection of over 150 effects. Let's choose the Simple category and click the Brightness filter. Drag the filter to the clip to apply it. To reduce its intensity, move the amount slider to the left However, there is a much more advanced way. Click the Edit button on the toolbar. Switch to the Enhancement tab and open Correct Color using curves. We're going to work with the brightness channel. You'll see a straight diagonal line on a graph with the highlights in the upper right corner and the shadows in the lower left corner. To improve your video, add a few points and curve the line. To compare the outcome to the original, click View Source. When you're satisfied with the result, click Create Video to save your clip. You can export it for watching on PC or create an HD video. Let's pick Create Video for Internet and save it for sharing on YouTube. That's it. Now you know how to make a video lighter in 3 different ways. Download Clipify and lighten up your clips with ease.